I still get nerves after years of doing this. Every fucking time. Ratta maar. CBSE
You
student.
know everything is gonna go sahi, right?
Because my name is Sahiba. Hey, DOP ke liye taaliyan. So we are at the Foundry event. Foundry was started 3 months ago, where you have these 3 founding founders. You have my friend Nikhil Kamath, you have Kishore Biani, and you have Ronnie Strohwala. And they have young entrepreneurs who've come and have kind of been like in a 3-month incubation area where they've built businesses from scratch in these 3 months. It's like a boot camp. And आज demo day है और demo day में वो सारे investors को अपना business सिखाते हैं and they are going to get investments at the end of the day. And I am the Sutradhar and the host of today, helping the pitches and people meet each other and networking and just that kind of shenanigans. That's what I'm going. Okay, good morning everyone. Very happy to have you guys reach on time because आज बहुत बारिश हो रही थी, cannot be an excuse because clearly it's a great day. I am Saiba Bali, your host for today, and the last time I did something like this, I was actually hosting Shark Tank. Not too much of a difference. The only difference is you guys have actual money to invest in. Okay, let's go. See you, thank you. Bye.
चल गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर
यंग साइड से ही जा सकते हैं, शॉर्ट है.
I still get nerves after years of doing this. Every fucking time. Ratta maar. CBSE student.
You know everything is gonna go sahi, right?
Because my name is Sahiba. Hey, DOP ke liye taaliyan. Let's get some energy in the room, guys. A pigeon has done the deed on my arm. I would just like to say this means that I'm going to have a very lucky day. So if you want to give me a check, you can. Now you have to clap for me also. Thank you. And I know that you have heard me yap a lot. I need to get done with this. So next up, we have the 3 people, the founding fathers of Foundry, and we'll start with KV sir. A bird has shot on me on line 2.
I would like to start from today the 90th day exactly.
Adults recover to perform, but kids recover to grow. That is the state of most of children today. In the process of getting kids away from screens, you stack them up with tuitions, extracurriculars, classes, this, that. Why is it that we're still not addressing the needs of the modern, busy 6 to 14-year-old? Adults recover to perform, but kids recover to grow. Introducing Kazoom. Kazoom is one of the world's first recovery-led growth brands. In some ways, we are introducing junior recovery as a category.
There are ways to make money and there's ways to build something
but then
meaningful
when you
and
put it in
something.
startups, half the reason is that I've done a lot, right?
Yeah.
In the past 15 years, we keep giving checks to these smaller startups.
Yeah.
And then beyond a point, like they don't kind of survive because I feel like they don't get that
Of course.
ecosystem
Yeah.
to thrive. So I just think what he's
Amazing.
done.
And also, end of the day, it's not you don't invest thinking I need to exit only,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's
You
also
invest to build.
You invest to build.
You wanna
Exit is a
create.
perk after that, but
I mean, I can just imagine like just seeing these brands, right? Seeing like a no
100%,
clue,
100%. And also, I think the way they curated and got the founders, like the creme de la creme of
But it's
the.
not that, right? I mean, Kishore uncle, like, he knows what, like, when
Yeah.
he's talking about it, and I'm like, Astrotalks is like the biggest.
I was so
market,
keen on
right?
that. I was so
I mean,
bullish
listen,
on that.
Astrotalks is hitting like 1,500 crores, right?
Yeah.
But like, when he said Astrogens, I'm like, you know, you obviously done the market research, know that you have
100%.
But what are you doing now? Are you investing? Are you?
I am investing. I am building my own brands, but it's a very nascent stage as co-founder in tech and D2C both. I work in content. I'm a cricket presenter. I act and I consult with brands and marketing.
Wow, where do you get time?
I don't see. And then I host events like this.
What brands are you building?
One thing in tech, which is towards dating.
Oh, nice.
One thing in D2C, which is right now hair, and I want to do denim. That's in the pipeline. There's a denim brand here today. I'm going to talk to them. Do you know
so
a
good watching you on
kabotar-
stage. Never seen
Do
you
you know
doing this.
Kabutar shat on me?
Who?
On stage, a kabutar shat on me while I was talking.
That's good.
When I was
That's not-
introducing Foundry, and then I was like,
This is the first time you're doing a live event.
but I
and it has to
improv
happen.
fine.
Good
no?
things had to happen.
My improv was okay. All right. I was wondering what the fuck. Yeah.
Albert, इसका BTS मैं काटूंगा.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं
Did you see a kabutar shit on me?
Yes, I saw.
That was just never before in my life. That was wow. That was fun. That's fun. Good content.
Yeah.
Say hi
Good
to my
event,
vlog.
sexy event. Hi. What do you want me to say?
Just say hi to my vlog. That's fine.
You know, when I heard it, I thought, was it a part of your script and have you done this?
You think?
Dude, I
No,
swear.
you're so good at being impromptu because that's so important at something like this.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
What to know about the Foundry while you presented it on the stage? Tell us about the Kabutar.
Oh my god, yeah, guys. There was one moment where it was 5 minutes of me on stage, and all these investors and VCs and family offices are there. Nikhil Kishore and Ronnie Sir and the founders, and I'm talking, all right, welcome to the Foundry. So Foundry is, I felt something warm on my hand, and I look, and there is kabutar shit, like kabutar ki potty, and not like one plop. It's my entire hand. Like this kabutar had loose motions or some shit or diarrhea. Has completely. And what are the odds? We are at NSCI Dome in Bombay, which is a massive ground. Then we are in one particular part of it, on one particular stage, on one particular corner where I am standing, but the kabutar has decided to shit directly on my arm. What are the odds? But I think I improvised and it was fine.
Erica, please play that video here because I have it on.
Oh, you do? Part of the script. It was, and everyone's like, oh, that was script. I was like, no, why would I script a kabutar shitting on me at a formal event? Yeah, who is? And it was warm, guys. It was like sick.
But they say it's very lucky.
It's supposed to be lucky. So God knows this event से मुझे क्या मिलेगा, but ठीक है.
If people don't believe me, just tell that my production value has gone so high. I hired a drone with remote control dropper and I dropped it.
Extra value add services I've given. And entertainment. But then I didn't stop. I continued with the thing with the shit on my
That's
hand.
amazing information.
Wearing shit on my arms and just talking. The best thing about like being on stage is make fun of yourself. And then people get comfortable with you. Best. गाड़ी में ठोक दूंगी. It's 6. I've been talking since 10. 9, 6, 9. It's 6 o'clock. 9 hours of talking, and if that wasn't enough, I've been told that I have to do the next 2 hours as well. So What? What this means? Yes, what? But I made it my own. I treated this as this is my home. I was like, हाँ बोल. No formality left chat for me today. On stage, I was like, everyone's my friend. What's the investor? Who's a VC? I have zero energy to do this. Okay. I've just been so tired because I've gone to take a pee break once and I haven't stepped out, so I haven't seen the sun or air since 7 a.m. That sucks. It's been 12 hours since I have breathed fresh air. Have you stepped out?
Sorry.
Have you stepped out once? No? You've also been in this andhera? Yeah. It's a bit much. It gets to you.
2 hours later.
Okay, so the day is not over. My friend Sohanisha is doing her mentalist shenanigans on stage. It is 8:30. I have been doing this, we all have been doing this since 10 hours now. I am exhausted, but had a lot of fun. I still have a vote of thanks to give. Thank all the mummy, papa, invite all the founders on stage, thank them. Very happy that I could be part of Foundry in any way possible. And now it's my time to just go home and sleep after this. And congratulations to all the founders. You did super well. Congratulations to Nikhil, Kishore sir, Ronnie sir, Team WTF, Team Foundry Forward. You guys were sensational. All the best. See you in the next batch.
So please, Sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.